Ever wished you could split your Amazon purchases with Klarna? Let's dive into whether that's actually possible. First, the direct answer: Klarna, the popular buy now, pay later service, does not currently offer direct integration for payments on Amazon. This means when you're at the Amazon checkout, you won't find Pay with Klarna as a direct option. Amazon offers its own financing options and accepts a range of standard payment methods like credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. But don't be discouraged. There's a clever workaround if you're determined to use Klarna's flexibility for your Amazon shopping. The most common method involves purchasing an Amazon gift card with your Klarna payment method from a retailer that does accept Klarna. Many online and physical stores allow you to buy Amazon gift cards, and if that store offers Klarna as a payment option, you can use it there. Once you purchase your Amazon gift card using Klarna, you can then redeem that gift card balance on your Amazon account. Now, when you make your Amazon purchase, you can select your Amazon gift card balance as the payment method, effectively using the funds you paid for with Klarna. While this isn't a direct integration, it allows you to leverage Klarna's installment plans for your Amazon shopping spree. Just remember to factor in any potential fees or interest rates associated with using Klarna for the initial gift card purchase. So, while not a straightforward checkout, using a Klarna-funded Amazon gift card is your best bet for flexible payments on Amazon. Happy shopping!